So when you're working with high quality videos like 4K videos like these, and you have a lot of them in your timeline, then what you might notice is that your editing process is lagging, and your system has slowed down and the videos are not playing correctly. In that case, what you can do is you can utilize something called proxy, which is you can convert out these videos into lower quality temporarily for editing, so that it is much more much more easier to edit. And you can edit it out more smoothly. In that case, you can go around over here onto the video area and you can right click, and over here you can go around onto proxy, and over here you can see that right now it's set to none right here. But what you can do is you can set it to quality or performance, which is faster. So this is lower quality, but it is faster in performance. So you can go around and click like this right here. Once you do that, it creates a proxy out of this particular file right here. And the proxy is a lower quality version of the original file, which is much more faster for edit. But when you export out, it still exports out the higher quality, because proxy is just there as a reference for editing. So it's converting, as you can see right here, and you can go around and do the same for this as well. Quality is means like it focuses much more on quality and not much on performance right here. So it still lags a bit, but if you want a smoother workflow, you want to go with performance right here. So you can see that you can go around and select out another video as well. And over here, you can see this particular icon now. That means the proxy has been created. So now if I were to go around and click and drag this down right here, then what happens is that you have the proxy right here, just like this, for this particular footage. So you can see that there's a bit of quality error right here, just like this, but that is normal. It's just proxy right here. You do see that it is lower in quality right here. So that is what you have, as you can see, and similarly this is being converted as proxy as well. So let me just go around and then make a composite sort out of this and press OK. And this is the proxy, as you can see right here, that is being used for this particular media. You do notice that it is lower in quality, but like I said, when you export it out, it will use the original quality video right here. Similarly, you can see that this particular video is being converted into proxy as well. And then once it's done, then what you can do is you can utilize that out as well. So that is how you can utilize proxy to speed up your workflow of editing inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe